Hi guys.
Hi.
We made a video about a fireplace. It was yeah, a fun little job. We couldn't find stuff online, so we made a video.
Yeah, there wasn't too many options to choose from, but we decided, hey, why not make a little video to share with you guys, so give you another option.
Yeah, motion with the hands. I gotta remember. My name's Sai. This is C. We've got another one up to the side.
That's
Zanaya.
You
Oh,
say hey?
there he is.
There you are.
Anyways, we found out about Northwoods? Yeah, Northwoods Fabrication is the company. We found them on, I believe it was Etsy. You need him a pacifier? Or yeah, some poofs. He likes it a food. We found him on Etsy, and actually he had a cheaper price and free shipping in the United States directly through his website.
Thank you for that.
Which I will put a link in the comments or down below. Put a link down below. Yeah. So anyways, we went with the regular Woodsman, not the mini Woodsman. We had a little bit more room to play with. We put down like some fireproof wall material and stuff around it to make sure that the heat would stay there, and
Couple layers of fireproofing.
yeah, a couple layers of fireproofing. Just wanted to make sure. So we knew it's a small space. We're renovating a fifth wheel.
Yes. We're in a 35-foot forest river
Sierra.
It's
been good.
Yeah.
It's been good. Anyways, yeah. Thought we'd say hi, and I hope you like the video.
Yeah. Hope you like the video. Yeah.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Cool.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, one thing it's... Yeah, the weld's down here.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, there's a little spatter and stuff in spots, but the weld is a hand weld that he's using a MIG torch.
Which I like.
8-inch steel. It's nice and thick. I have a brighter light here. So one of the things we were talking about was how long it's going to radiate the heat because it's not cast iron. But still, it's like the perfect size. This is the Weatherman, or the, what's it?
Northwoods.
Woodsman.
Woodsman.
The Woodsman, not the Woodsman Mini, but the Woodsman. So, yeah, we'll probably have to get, what's it called, a hearth? Is that what it is?
I think that's called a
little grate thing you put inside there. Very happy with it though. This is the 6-inch blue as well. I know the Mini comes with a 4. So I'm just gonna run a chimney straight up through the...
It then opens left to right. Nice, simple, good design.
It's got the fiberglass thing. This is the only... I was wondering about this with the door, because I've seen other little personal fireplaces like this that'll have another little seam that goes around, or they'll put it around this side. I'll most likely do that. That's going to give it a better seal, so you get less smoke and stuff coming out the front door. So that's just metal on metal.
True.
I mean, it looks like
it looks pretty flush.
Yeah, that's got a really clean kind of seal.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna bring it outside.
Yeah, let's go make a fire.
Light it up. Such a picturesque little corner there. Well, you're part of the eye candy, babe. You're the hottie.
Oh. Here's the... I'm excited to cut the ceiling open.
Yeah, put a hole in it. Cool.
Yeah. Excited.
the Woods, Northwoods Fabrication. I think his name's David is the guy that's putting all these together.
Good job, David.
Yes, thank you, David.
If that's not your name, so.
Yeah, that's not your name. That's just like the shipping guy, but no. Anyway.